Hi, and welcome to IFC Markets instructional video on how to install technical analysis indicators into your NetTradex platform. To access our set of indicators, we simply go to Chart, Indicators, and they appear. You can also do it by simply clicking Ctrl-I, and there you have them. Let's select ADX, click Set, OK, and there it appears. The ADX, or Average Directional Index Indicator, is a technical indicator developed by the famous Welles Wilder to estimate trend strength and determine probable further price movements by comparing the difference between two consecutive lows with the difference between the highs. The ADX is a complex indicator which results from calculation of the plus directional indicator and the minus directional indicator, but all of them may be used for trend analysis. To access more information about the ADX, simply go to the IFC Markets main page, select Education, click on Technical Analysis and Technical Indicators, and in the Trend Indicators submenu, you'll see it there. To access our set of indicators, we simply go to Chart, Indicators, and they appear. You can also do it by simply clicking Ctrl-I, and there you have them. One of the most commonly used indicators in trend analysis is the moving average. Select it from the set, click OK, and there it appears, right across our candlesticks. The moving average is a technical analysis tool that shows average price over a given period of time, which is used to smoothen price fluctuations and therefore to determine trend direction and strength. And as you can see, our candlesticks are below the moving average at the moment. For more information about the moving average, simply go to Education on the IFC Markets webpage, Technical Analysis, Technical Indicators, and in the Trend Indicators submenu, select Moving Average. To access our set of indicators, we simply go to Chart, Indicators, and they appear. You can also do it by simply clicking Ctrl-I, and there you have them. The final trend analysis indicator on our list is the moving average of Oscillator. Select it from the list, click Set, OK, and it appears at the bottom of our screen. The moving average of Oscillator is a technical analysis tool that reflects the difference between an oscillator and its moving average. For more information regarding the moving average of Oscillator, visit the IFC Markets webpage, select Education, Technical Analysis, Technical Indicators, and from the Trend Indicators, select Moving Average of Oscillator. Next, we have the Parabolic Indicator. Select it from the list, click Set, and there we go. This is another indicator developed by Welles Wilder, and this indicator is below prices when prices are rising and above prices when prices are falling. In this regard, the indicator stops and reverses when the price trend reverses and breaks above or below the indicator.